5 tips for a healthy habits for working from home. Here are some wellness tips that can aid in building good habits while working from home. Hi everyone. This is Keel Vlogs and today we will share with you 5 tips for a healthy habits for working from home. 1. Establish a routine. Although social distancing can change our day-to-day, sticking with familiar routines when possible can help us feel more like ourselves. 2 studies on routines and the meaning of life have shown that habits enhance a sense of having a purposeful behavior. 1. Establish a routine. Although social distancing can change our day-to-day, sticking with familiar routines when possible can help us feel more like ourselves. 2 studies on routines and the meaning of life have shown that habits enhance a sense of having a purposeful behavior. 3. Practice sleep hygiene. The practice of sleep hygiene, which was initially developed for the treatment of mild to moderate insomnia, is the behavioral and environmental recommendations for promoting better sleep. 4. Bolster your immune system with good nutrition. While you're spending so much time at home, focusing on eating well is a great habit to work on. 5. Relax with aromatherapy. Surround yourself with relaxing scents, such as lavender, rosemary, and peppermint, while working from home. Aromatherapy may provide a protective cognitive effect after acute stress, with calming scents like lavender. Do what's right for you. During any time of stress, it is important to be kind to yourself and realize that you are feeling a wide range of emotions because you are human. Stay healthy by regularly washing your hands, establishing a routine while working from home, setting boundaries with yourself, social media, and others, getting quality sleep, eating a balanced diet, and trying to relax with essential oils. And remember, you are not alone in figuring out how to make working from home not only feasible but enjoyable, particularly during this time of anxiety, stresses, and unknowns. That's all for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Keel Vlogs. Till our next video. Thank you for watching.